Well, let's focus on another stock, Allcargo Logistics. Well, that's a stock in focus. Mangalam joins us to tell us why is that stock flying away. Mangalam.
Well, Allcargo is doing very well in today's trading session, and that's primarily because of the outcome of the analyst meet that the company had yesterday itself. The presentation was uploaded post-markets in yesterday's trading session. The FY26 targets that the company is given. Remember, in FY22, they did revenues of a little above 20,000 crore mark with margins of around 7.5 odd %. But for FY26, the company targets revenues anywhere between 25 to 30,000 crores at the upper end, with margins between 9 to 10 odd %, 24,000 to close to around 2,700 odd crores, 2,400 to about 2,700 crores in terms of an EBITDA. What would comprise this overall revenue as well as margin guidance that the company is given? Express plus contract logistics, which is the smaller part of their business, should see revenues of almost 2,700 to 3,500 crores and margins of anywhere between 10 to 12%, EBITDA of 400 to 500 crores. The larger part of their business, which is the international supply chain business, should see revenues of anywhere between 20,000 to 25,000 crores with EBITDA of 1,700 to 2,000 odd crores. And then they do have other clutch of businesses, which could be anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 crores in terms of revenues, with EBITDA of 300 to 350 odd crores. Importantly, on Gati as well, the management has said that they've reduced the gross debt of the company and things are looking much better for Gati as well. From FY20 levels of 411 odd crores, the gross debt is down all the way down to 159 odd crores. They have 14% share in the global LCL market. They're number one out there. Digitization is a big theme for them, with more than 60% of their orders coming in digitally, and the cash that they have on their books of 721 crores also gives them visibility for further capex as well. What is the key thing that the street is watching out for in the near future from Allcargo Logistics? They've announced the demerger, so how things pan out post the demerger. Here on CNBC-TV18 itself, the management in the past has said that 90% of the group's revenues will be in the current listed Allcargo entity itself, and they are looking at restructuring in Gati itself, and perhaps the management is looking to go ahead and buy KWE's stake in Gati, which is the existing promoter of Gati. So that would be one of the big triggers to watch out for both Allcargo as well as Gati.